Underneath the cover is our next supercar. I'm not going to waste any more time, so let's reveal it. So yes, this week's supercar is the Lamborghini Huracan LP610. This one is in the Grigio Lynx grey paintwork with a full Night Racer carbon exterior kit, including the front splitter, side skirts, and the rear spoiler. And of course it is running the 5.2 litre V10 engine, kicking out 610 brake horsepower with just a 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. If you want to see the full spec list, head over to 7daysperformance.co.uk, where you can also enter for the chance to win this for just £1.19. This also comes with £10,000, or you can take the huge £105,000 cash alternative. The live draw is this Sunday. Be sure to grab some entries whilst you still can. Like the video and subscribe for more future uploads. We've got another video coming this week on Wednesday, taking a closer look at the Audi RSQ8 that is also live on our website. So keep an eye out, and I'll see you in the next video.